If you don't like getting stuck but still love learning tech, then you need IT Tutorials Tips Pro. Welcome to IT Tutorials Tips Pro, your one-stop hub for mastering IT skills, simplifying tech, and staying ahead in the digital world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. Dive into our step-by-step tutorials designed to make complex concepts easy to understand. Learn directly from industry experts who share their pro tips and tricks. But that's not all. Our hands-on projects help you build a strong portfolio that'll impress any employer. Got questions? Our 24/7 support is here to help you with all your tech queries. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning now and transform your tech journey today. Join our community and never stop growing. Subscribe, explore courses, and let's unlock your tech potential together. Visit and get started now. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, humanity has always sought knowledge. We yearn to understand the universe and our place within it. Today we stand on the precipice of a new era of discovery, powered by artificial intelligence. At the forefront is DeepSeek, an AI tool designed to empower researchers and businesses. DeepSeek comprehends and processes complex data with astonishing speed and accuracy. Imagine a world where the most challenging questions could be answered with ease. The future of knowledge discovery is here, powered by DeepSeek. The interface of DeepSeek is elegantly simple, designed to be intuitive and accessible to users of all technical backgrounds. Upon accessing DeepSeek, you are greeted by a clean, uncluttered workspace. A single input field awaits your query, inviting you to pose your most challenging questions. Let's imagine a researcher delving into the enigmatic world of quantum computing. They could input a prompt like, "Explain the principles of quantum entanglement and its potential applications." DeepSeek, with its advanced natural language understanding, parses this query, instantly sifting through its vast knowledge base. Within seconds, a comprehensive response is generated, breaking down the complex principles of quantum entanglement into easily digestible concepts. The output is not merely a regurgitation of existing information. DeepSeek synthesizes and presents the information in a clear and concise manner, tailored to the user's query. Beyond its text-based capabilities, DeepSeek excels in data analysis. Users can upload datasets of any size and format. DeepSeek can then identify trends, correlations, and anomalies that might otherwise remain hidden within the data. Imagine a medical researcher analyzing genomic data to identify potential biomarkers for a disease. DeepSeek can accelerate this process exponentially, potentially leading to breakthroughs in disease diagnosis and treatment. DeepSeek is more than just a tool, it is a research partner capable of augmenting human intelligence and propelling us into a new age of discovery. DeepSeek is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it has its strengths and limitations. One of its greatest strengths lies in its accuracy and reliability. It's especially valuable in scientific and technical fields. DeepSeek also offers customization for enterprise users. However, its complexity can be overwhelming for beginners. Free accounts have limitations on usage and data storage. Despite these, DeepSeek is a groundbreaking tool revolutionizing research. The journey of scientific discovery is an endless one. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, we need tools that can keep pace with our insatiable curiosity. DeepSeek is one such tool, a testament to humanity's ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Imagine a world where the cures for diseases are discovered not through years of laborious research, but through the insights gleaned by DeepSeek from vast medical databases. Imagine a world where the challenges of climate change are tackled with solutions generated by DeepSeek after analyzing complex environmental data. This is the potential that DeepSeek holds, a potential as vast as the universe itself. For professionals seeking advanced AI solutions, DeepSeek is not merely a tool but a partner. It is a tool that can amplify our intelligence, accelerate our progress, and empower us to solve the most pressing challenges facing humanity. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of discovery, DeepSeek illuminates the path forward, a path that leads to a brighter future for all.